the channel. So today on Craft With Us, I of course have my mom here, and we have Bear making another guest appearance because of course he has to be the center of attention, don't you?
Yeah. Okay.
So today on Craft With Us, we are going to show you how to make I think it's called a rag banner or a ribbon banner. This should be a pretty simple craft. So the supplies that you're going to need are some fabric. So we're doing black, orange, and white as our color scheme. So this fabric is, I don't know what kind of fabric this is. It's kind of like a sheer, kind of stretchy. Mom said it was kind of like
a nylon,
like a nylon or like a slip material. We just really like how it hangs. It has a lot of movement to it. And then we also picked up some of the sparkled tulle. So we have that in black and orange. And then the other piece that we have is some white lace. And this is all just regular fabric that we've cut into strips without any really precise measurement. All of this we picked up at a local discount fabric store. That this material stuff was it's like a salvage stuff. I don't really know what it came from or whatever, but it works really well for this type of project.
You know, whatever's left over, it's cut. They throw it all in a box, and then they weigh it by the pound, and it was pretty cheap.
Yeah. So if you have something like that near you, definitely go check it out because you could probably find some really great deals on fabric. We probably saved quite a bit by going there instead of like our local box store, like a Joann's or a Michael's type of thing. But this fabric that we are using was on giant bolts, not ribbon. You can also use ribbon for this if you have ribbon or prefer to use ribbon. Also have these wood shapes that we picked up at the Dollar Tree. They have different shapes. So we've got a cat, witch hat, a pumpkin, and a ghost. And then you're also going to need some sort of twine or ribbon. This is like a black woven cord that we're going to be using to hang everything on. And then you're also going to need some acrylic paint in whatever colors you decide to do your banner in. So for us today, we have some black, white, orange, and then I think Mom wants to use some green. And I think that is everything that you're going to need. So the first step for this project is you're going to take your wood pieces and you're going to paint them on both sides, whatever colors you decided. So for us, we're going to use those 4 colors. We're going to go ahead and do that now, and we'll come back and show you what those look like. Alright guys, so we are all done with this craft. This is what one of them turned out looking like. So you should have something that looks like this. Mom just needs to trim it and then it is ready to go up on the fireplace. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on next week's video. And we'll see you guys next week. Bye!
I'm tired.
Okay, don't look tired.
Hurry up before they snore.
So you get 2 ghosts, I get 2 ghosts. What are you doing? Why are you attacking people?
They're clean.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Yep, we're ready.
You ready? You ready, too?